Hi Chhaya, can you hear me?
Yes, you are
Oh,
here.
great.
I am hearing you.
Okay, welcome to the class. We are meeting after how long? After two
Yes,
months or 3 months?
not two. I think 1 week after 1 week.
After 1 week we are meeting.
Yes,
Okay, because it feels like it's been very long. So
yes.
how's everything is going on in your end? The classes, learning.
It is going good. I just did practice about spoken English.
Okay, which framework? I taught you
You
some
in the
framework.
last lecture you told me that REF rule.
R double F. So
Yes.
have you started using that approach in your daily conversations?
Uh, Actually, I'm working on that.
Okay, in everyday life, don't you speak in English with the
No,
clients?
with client I speak I use both the language, like my mother tongue is Marathi, so I mix it like English and Marathi.
Okay, then you can also ask the questions back also in the English using the RFF approach there and speaking with the client. Today we will do two activities.
Okay.
First of all, we'll go with the RFF. I'll see how you're speaking. Then we will do an opinion sharing questions practice and recommendation sharing question practice
Okay.
to see how you're speaking on that. So first, let's start with the RFF for a two-way conversations. So what's the plan? What's your plan for upcoming weekend? As tomorrow is Saturday.
uh yes, in that Saturday I think we will go to my hometown.
I will go to my hometown.
Yes, I will go to my hometown with my husband and do some work. What about you?
Hmm. Next weekend plan. That's a really good question. I haven't thought yet which cafeteria I have to explore. So probably around 7 or 7:30 p.m. I'll call my friend and I'll ask her which place we can go this upcoming weekend because she has a good itinerary where to go.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand, Jamshedpur.
Okay.
And when it comes to the traveling, on weekends you generally go out of station or you stay inside the city only and you travel.
No, I travel. Actually, I'm living in Pune. So here is a very, uh, so what can I say? It is a traffic area. What's the word for that?
What's the traffic?
Crowded area. Yes, it is too much
Full of
crowded.
full of hustle and bustle.
Yes, yes. It is full of hustle and bustle. So we nearby my house there is one hill. So I went there.
I go there.
Yes, I go there and relax mind for relaxed mind.
Okay, to relax my mind.
Yes.
Okay, to relax your mind, you go at that sites. Follow was missing again.
Yeah. What about you?
Hmm. My relaxations generally starts from having a good strong coffee.
Okay.
If I would have a strong coffee, good music, and my car, I
Hmm.
would be enjoying my vibe.
Okay.
I require just three things: good coffee, car, and a drive with a good music.
Okay. Okay.
So, do you love to drink coffee or you are a green tea person?
Actually, I love to drink coffee. I'm not green tea person.
If
And
I
what
talk about myself, say, if I talk about myself,
if I talk about myself?
I am a
I am a
coffee person.
coffee person.
I
If
really don't like to eat. I really don't like to drink green tea
I really don't like to drink green tea. Okay. Wha-
because,
Okay. So it is in feelings, right? Because
correct.
okay, because the green tea is I don't like the taste of that tea, so that's why. And what about you? What do you like the most?
That's a really interesting question. I like many things, but in which sense you are asking? Are you asking about the coffee, tea, this comparison, or are you asking about something else?
I'm asking about tea.
Tea aspect.
Yeah.
Personally saying, I don't like to drink tea. I
Okay.
feel tea is not good for the health.
Yes, but
Also,
also tea or coffee also not good for health.
no, coffee is good for the health. It clears your liver.
Yeah.
Also, it helps you to protect you from the heart attack.
Yes.
It gives you a sharp mind, and you would be very much attentive in your work if you would have the coffee. So, coffee is good for the health, but tea is not good for the health. Tea creates the acidity issue.
No, what I learned that both in coffee there is caffeine, so that's why it is not good for health. Whatever I learned, so that
But caffeine is required for the human body.
I don't know. When I learning yoga, that time that teacher told us coffee and tea is not good for health. So
But didn't you ask why it's not good for health?
no, I didn't ask.
So you should ask that question
Yes.
because you have that partial knowledge about the coffee or tea. That's a partial knowledge
Yeah.
because whenever if someone say that we will not use this, we will use that. So you should ask why are we not using that and why we are
Okay,
using that.
instead of that, you drink. They said drink milk.
Milk is good. I'll not say that milk is bad. Milk I also consume it, but in the coffee I'm talking about the black coffee, double shot espressos. I'm talking about that kind of coffee.
Okay, okay,
I'm not talking about the classic cold coffee or frappes in which there's a lot of high amount of sugar is there. I'm not
yes,
talking about that kind of coffee.
okay.
I'm
Then
talking about a coffee as a espresso shot form or as a black form, which will not have sugar at all into it and not milk also.
okay, okay,
I'm talking about that kind of coffees. I'm not talking about the frappes which we find with a lot of whipped cream on that and choco chips above it. That kind of coffees I'm not talking about.
okay.
So when it comes to the traveling, so are you a person who loves to travel solo or you love to travel in a group?
Uh, I love to travel in a group
That's
because
an
I don't
interesting
like.
question. Say that's an interesting question.
Okay, that's an interesting question. Actually, I am a group traveler. I don't like that solo traveling because when we travel solo, there is only one person, and we at that time we don't do enjoyment. So when in I in a group, I enjoy more than solo. So that's
And
why
I
I like
enjoy to
to.
the fullest. And I enjoy to the fullest.
Yes, I enjoy the trip to the
And I enjoy
fullest.
to the fullest.
I enjoy to the fullest, and yes, because of that, I like the group traveling with my friends. What about you?
I don't like to travel in a big groups. I'm a kind of a person who loves to travel solo or with one or two person, not more than that.
You like the traveling with solo or a group? They said solo. I don't know why.
Because in solo traveling you'll be able to explore yourself. And
Yes,
main thing is that you will be stopping at a place where you want to relax. But in
yeah,
the group there would be a peer pressure on you
there are
that we
many.
have to stop at this place, otherwise there would be a problem, people would be making the mess, I have spent the money at this site, now you
Yeah,
have to spend on this. That kind of stuff I really hate it.
yes.
So on that note I don't like to go in the
It
groups.
is it is happening with me when we went to Goa. So that time we went there with a group of friends. So that time it's happening like that. They said I want to go there, another said I want to go there. I
And
stop
in
here.
between, there was a clashes also can
Yeah,
happen.
yeah. Yes, I have seen that.
That is the reason I love to go with the small group, 1 or 2 person, so that we can plan the itinerary accordingly and we can go. And there will
Yes,
no clash. There will be no clashes because a second person also know that only one person is there with me, so I have to go. Otherwise, who will click my pictures?
yes, yes.
So now this particular approach